Guys, I just want to show you the stupid lawnmower I got. It's a Solaris brand 24 volt cordless lawnmower. I don't know where they sold these. I've only seen a couple in my life. It's self-propelled. I think it's a 20-inch cut that runs off these two 12 volt batteries that sit in the top. Someone's gone and repaired it with zip ties. Nice work. I'll just show you what happens when you connect both batteries up. I don't know if you can hear it, but it's emitting a high-pitched squeal like an old tube television. The way you start it is you hold this bar back and then you push down. So it is self-propelled. It looks quite expensive. I got it with about 6 batteries. So obviously these things go through batteries. But there it goes again. You can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it on the video here, but it's making this annoying high-pitched squeal. So you pop a battery out and it stops. Thanks for watching.